Hi, this is Rod and I'm going to talk about the 10 reasons you are not getting better at guitar. But if you are not a subscriber yet, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. I've been teaching guitar for 25 years and I've been seeing all this kind of issues with many students who are always complaining about their improvement. And I want to talk about the 10 of the main reasons that you might not be improving your playing. Number 1, lack of practice. This is on the top of the list because you have to be honest to yourself. You are not practicing enough. Nobody can do that for you, and absolutely nothing can do that for you. It's only yourself. If you want to play the guitar, doesn't matter if you want to become a virtuoso or not, you have to practice. Number 2, bad habits. I see many of the students who learn by themselves on the internet, watching videos on YouTube and stuff, have bad habits. Wrong picking technique, wrong way to hold the pick, bad hands posture, etc. And do you know why? Because we give tips on YouTube, but we can't correct you. We don't know if you are doing it right. For a beginner, it's really hard to realize that. That means that the videos on YouTube are great, but having a guitar teacher is even better because he can show you how to do it in the right way. YouTube videos are great and they help a lot, but as an extra material. Oh man, I have to say that anxiety is one of the biggest enemies of your improvement. Many people give up on playing guitar because they get frustrated too easy. I see so many students asking me, how can I play fast? When do you think I'll be able to play that song? But that's impossible to answer because it depends on you. Have you been practicing enough? The right way? So take your time, enjoy all the process. Try to control your anxiety. There's a popular Charles Dickens quote, never do tomorrow what you can do today. Procrastination is the thief of time, and that's 100% true. If you don't play well with a cheap quality guitar, you won't with a $5,000 Herringball Music Man. Have you ever watched the video that Satriani is playing with a cheap guitar? Check this out.
I was wondering how you're going to do that.
Incredible, isn't it? We have to be able to play on any kind of guitar. It doesn't matter the quality or the model. If you want to be a good player, you have to be good playing on any guitar. Everybody likes having good gear. Me too. But I'm sorry to say it, it won't make you a better player. Stop making excuses. Stop thinking that your gear is not good enough. Actually, that's something we will always think. It doesn't matter if we have the best gear of the galaxies. Stop thinking that it's the wrong pick. Stop sabotaging yourself. If you have a couple minutes to practice, organize your time and your schedule, but practice every day with the tools that you have. Brian May still uses a coin as a guitar pick to play guitar. He had no excuses. This is a topic that I didn't used to see very much years ago, but I see a lot on the new generation of students. Many students think that they know all the steps that they need to follow to achieve their goals. Sorry to say it one more time, but they don't know. Your teacher knows what you need, and you know why? It's obvious, because he has more experience. Your teacher has been doing it for a while, and he had a lot of other students having the same goals as you. So trust him and follow his leads. Playing on stage with a band is very important to get better at guitar. The energy, the adrenaline, the emotion, it's completely different of playing at home. If you don't have a band, you can jam with a friend or go to an open mic. Playing with other people is one of the most important things to make you a better musician. I think that you should practice as more as you can with the guitar on or off. It doesn't matter, but don't practice with the guitar only off because you can hear your mistakes. With the guitar plugged to the amp, you can play along the songs with a metronome or a drum machine and actually hear what you are doing right or wrong. There's no number 10. The 10th one, you know what it is after watching this video. Everybody has issues, work, school, etc. This is the life. But if we really want to do it, really want to be a good player, we know exactly what's preventing us to get better at it. Think about everything shown on this video and start doing it today. No more tomorrow, no more later, right now. So that's it. I hope you guys liked it and share it with all your guitarist friends. Check my website www.rodrodriguez.net and follow me on Instagram @RodRodriguezOfficial. If you want to take guitar lessons with me, contact me via email rodrodriguezofficial@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you next time. Be good.